Good morning, students. In previous class, we already solved question number 1 and 2 in exercise 1.2. Now, we are going to solve question number 3 in that exercise. Here, the question is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. We can write the rational numbers, those are less than 2. Here, solution. This 2 is actually this is not in the form of p by q form because rational numbers are in the form of p by q not equal to 0. But here 2 is a natural numbers or positive integer. Now converted that number into rational number form. Then 2 can be represented as 2 by 1. Now the value of 2 does not change. 2 divided by 1, again we get 2 only. That's why we can write 2 as 2 by 1. Then take that number as it is 2 by 1, multiplied and divided by some same number to this number. Then we get, I will multiply and divide by 7. Here 7 get cancelled. Again we get 2 by 1 into 1. Again we get 2 by 1. That is equal to multiply numerator into numerator. Then 2 into 7. Denominator into denominator. Then we get 1 into 7. That is equal to 2 into 7, 14. 1 into 7, 7. Now you can write rational numbers lesser than that number 2 by 1. Therefore 5 rational numbers smaller than that 2. Smaller than 2 are, we know that again 7 ones are 7 2 ones. 7 divided by 14 divided by 7, again we get 2. Here 14 is there, the smaller number than this 14 is 13. You can divide 13 by 7. Come on, next. Smaller number than 13 is 12. 12 divided by 7, next number is 11. Take denominator same as it is. Then 10 by 7 and then 9 by 7. Here these numbers are the rational numbers which are lesser than the number 2. Now going to solve question number 4. Here they are given that find 10 rational numbers. You can find out 10 rational numbers in between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Here, just observe there are 2 rational numbers are there. One is minus 2 by 5, another one is 1 by 2. But both rational numbers are having different denominator. Now you are converted these rational numbers into same denominator. Solution: minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 can be represented as, these numbers are represented as, we can convert this denominator into 2 equal same denominators. Then minus 2 divided by 5 into multiplied and divided by 4 to this number. Again we get 4 will get cancel. Again we get minus 2 by 5. And for this 1 by 2, multiplied and divided by 10. Because of converting same base, same denominator for the both the rational numbers. Then that implies minus 2 into 4 divided by 5 into 4 and 1 into 10 divided by 2 into 10. That implies minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, and 1 into 10, 10 divided by 2 into 20, 2 into 10, that is 20. Now both rational numbers are having same denominator. Here also 20, here also 20. Now you can write rational numbers in between. Easily you can write rational numbers between in these two rational numbers. Therefore 10 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are, observe this number, this is minus 8 by 20 is there. Then write same denominator for next rational numbers in between these two rational numbers, and here minus 8 is there. The number bigger than minus 8 is minus 7, then minus by 7 by 20. Next number is after minus 7, minus 6 is there. Then write same denominator, minus 6 by 20. Next minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, next minus 2 by 20, and then next minus 1 divided by 20, next 0 by 20. Now 2, 4, 6, 8 are there. Next one is 1 by 20, and also another one is 2 by 20. These are the 10 rational numbers in between minus 8 divided by 20 and 10 by 20. So many rational numbers are there in between these two rational numbers. In that we will write only 10. Now going to question number 4. In that they are asking find 5 rational numbers between, in sub question 1 they are given that 2 rational numbers. One is 2 by 3, another one is 4 by 5. We can write 5 rational numbers in between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Here just observe, if both rational numbers are having same denominator, then that is very easy to write the rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. But here 3 is there and here 5 is there. Both are having different denominators. Now we are converted into same denominator solution. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 can be represented as now 2 by 3 into multiplied and divided by 15 to this number 15. Again we get 15 cancel out, again get 2 by 3, and for 4 by 5, here 5 is there, 5 9s are 45, then 3 15s are 45, then multiplied and divided by 9, we get 2 into 15 divided by 3 into 15, and 4 into 9 divided by 5 into 9. Then that implies 2 15s are 30 divided by 3 15s are 45, and 4 9s are 36 divided by 9 5s are 45. Now you can write the rational numbers between 30 divided by 45 and 36 divided by 45. Those rational numbers are also in between these two rational numbers. Now you can write therefore 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are Here denominator 45 is there, right as it is. After 30, next number is 31. You can write that one first. Next, after 31, 32 is there, right same denominator 45. Next, after 32, next number is 33, right same denominator. Next, after 33, next number 34, right same denominator. Next, after 34, next number is 35, right same denominator 45. Then 31 divided by 45, 32 divided by 45, 33 divided by 45, 34 divided by 44 and 35 divided by 44 are the rational numbers in between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Likewise, you can solve the remaining two sub-questions in these questions. Now going to solve question number 6 in that exercise. In that they are given that write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Here -2 is a negative integer. We can write the 5 rational numbers greater than this -2. In number line, here 0 is there. For left side to the 0, negative integers are there. -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Right side to the 0, positive integers are there. 1, 2, 3, etc. Now, we already solved one question, that is the rational numbers lesser than 2. In that problem, we converted 2 as to be rational number form. Now, here also we are converted -2 as to be rational numbers form. Now, -2 can be represented as -2 by 1. Now, the value of -2 does not change. The -2 divided by 1 also equal to -2. Here, observe this number line. If you are going to left side to the 0, the numbers are small. If you are going to right side to the 0, then the numbers are greater than. Here, -2 is greater than -1, -1 greater than 0, 0 greater than 1, 1 greater than 2, like that. That is goes to right side. The numbers are increasing order. Now, multiplied and divided by any number for this number, we get -2, 1 into, I will multiply and divide by 7 for this number. We get -2 into 7 divided by 1 into 7. That is equal to -2 into 4, 7, that is -40. 1 into 7, that is 7. In number line, here you are going to left side. Here next -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 numbers are there. For going to right side, the numbers will be increases. Now take therefore 5 rational numbers greater than -2 are. If we want to write the numbers greater than this -2, we go to right side to the number line. Then therefore here -14 is there. The number greater than -14 is -13. -13, you can write the same denominator here only, -13 by 7. Next number greater than -13 is -12. -12 divided by 7. Next number greater than -12 is -11 divided by 7. Next number greater than -11 is -10, that divided by 7. Next number greater than -10 is -9 divided by 7. These are the 5 rational numbers greater than this -2. There are so many numbers are there. In that we will write only 5. Now going to solve question number 7 in that exercise. Here they are given that find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Here these two rational numbers, in between these two rational numbers, so many rational numbers are there. In that we can write only 10 rational numbers. Now consider those numbers Solution: 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 can be represented as for here observe these two rational numbers having different denominator. We are converted into same denominator. Here multiplied and divided by 16 for this number, and also for this 3 by 4 multiplied and divided by 20. Now we get that implies multiplied numerator into numerator, 3 into 16, 16 5s are 80, and here 5 into 16, then and 3 into 20 divided by 4 into 20. That implies 3 into 16, that is 48, divided by 16 into 5, that is 80, and here 3 into 20, 60, divided by 4 into 20, that is 80. Now these two rational numbers are converted into the another two rational numbers are having same denominator. Here also 80 is there, here also 80 is there. Now very easy to write in between rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Now therefore 10 rational numbers in between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are after 48 next number is 49. You can write 49 and write same denominator for all the rational numbers. 49 divided by 80. Next number after 49, that is 50. 50 divided by 8. Next 50, 51 divided by 80. Next 51, 52 divided by 80. Next 52, after 52, 53 divided by 80. After 53, 54 is there. 54 divided by 80. After 54, 55 is there. 55 divided by 80. After 55, 56 divided by 80. Next number is 57 divided by 80. Next 58 divided by 80. Next number 59 divided by 80. After that 60 divided by 80 they already given. Now count on 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Already 10 rational numbers we can write in between these two rational numbers.